Welcome back to our channel, and if you're new here, a warm welcome to you. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that is essential for anyone looking to dip their toes into the world of investing. Whether you're a student, a young professional, or simply someone who wants to make their money work for them, this video is for you. We'll be covering the basics of investment for beginners, so let's dive right in. Investing can seem intimidating, but with the right knowledge and approach, it can be a powerful tool for building wealth over time. So, let's start with the very first step. Step 1. Set clear financial goals. Before you start investing, it's crucial to set clear financial goals. Ask yourself, what do you want to achieve with your investments? Are you saving for retirement, a down payment on a house, or maybe funding your dream vacation? Step 2. Understand risk and return. Investing involves risk, and it's important to understand the relationship between risk and return. Generally, higher returns come with higher risks. Diversification and time horizon play key roles in managing risk, and we'll cover those in a moment. Step 3. Educate yourself. Knowledge is power when it comes to investing. Educate yourself about different investment vehicles like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. Understand the concepts of asset allocation, compounding, and the basics of market analysis. Step 4. Start with a small amount. When you're just starting out, it's a good idea to begin with a small amount of money. This allows you to learn the ropes, gain experience, and build confidence without risking too much capital. As you become more comfortable, you can gradually increase your investments. Step 5. Choose the right brokerage account. To invest in the stock market, you'll need a brokerage account. Research and choose a reputable brokerage firm that suits your needs. Look for factors such as fees, customer service, ease of use, and the range of investment options available. Step 6. Diversify your portfolio. Diversification is key to managing risk. Spread your investments across different asset classes and industries. This helps mitigate the impact of any one investment performing poorly and increases your chances of long-term success. Step 7. Start investing regularly. Consistency is key. Make investing a habit by setting up automatic contributions to your investment accounts. This way, you can take advantage of dollar cost averaging, which reduces the impact of short-term market fluctuations. Step 8. Stay informed and adapt. Keep yourself updated with market news and trends. Stay informed about the companies you invest in and the overall economic landscape. Adjust your investment strategy as needed to align with changing market conditions. Step 9. Seek professional advice. If you're unsure about making investment decisions on your own, consider seeking professional advice. A financial advisor can provide personalized guidance based on your goals, risk tolerance, and financial situation. Step 10. Stay patient and stay the course. Investing is a long-term game. It's important to stay patient and resist the temptation to make impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Stick to your investment plan and remember that time is on your side. Conclusion. And that wraps up our beginner's guide to investing. Remember, investing is a journey that requires patience, education, and ongoing effort. Start small, stay informed, and adapt as needed. With time, you'll gain confidence and see the power of investing working for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more investment tips and financial advice. And as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments below. Until next time, happy investing!